Today we're diving deep into the Nikon d7200, a DSLR that continues to be a favorite among enthusiasts and semi-pro photographers. Design build quality: the d7200 carries Nikon's classic DSLR design. It features a durable magnesium alloy body that is both weather-sealed and dust-resistant, making it perfect for outdoor and travel photography. Image quality sensor: the Nikon d7200 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with no optical low-pass filter, allowing for incredibly sharp and detailed images. Paired with Nikon's XP4 image processor, it delivers outstanding color reproduction and dynamic range. Video recording: the d7200 can record full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second. The footage is clean and detailed, although the lack of 4K may disappoint modern videographers. It does offer microphone and headphone jacks, giving creators manual control over audio recording. Battery life: the Nikon d7200 impresses with its long-lasting ENEL15 battery, capable of shooting around 1,100 shots per charge, which is far ahead of most mirrorless competitors. Overall, the Nikon d7200 remains one of the best APS-C DSLRs ever made. Its image quality, durability, and battery performance make it a reliable choice for enthusiasts, semi-professionals, and even beginners who want to step into serious photography. Thank you so much.